It is 3D printing time. When she wants you to make that crustless peanut butter sandwich. Guys, I got the perfect solution for you. Here's a crustless peanut butter sandwich. I'm just gonna grind that some more. Make that the perfect little slice. I'll go over here again. Yeah, you might think that this is taking off way too long, but could have been quicker. People just do it themselves. So, this is the butter knife. And we're going to get this butter knife into this nice big old can of peanut butter. And we're going to smear it. See this peanut butter? Let's see if I can do this a different way. Put it on the tripod. Peanut butter, crustless peanut butter sandwich, guys. Maybe that's not enough peanut butter. Maybe we'll give it a good old dollop scoop of it. Oh, look at this one. Don't want to be stingy on the peanut butter now. There we go. Perfect for the crustless peanut butter sandwich. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.